Now I've just had something turn up in the mail. It's Cruisemaster's DO35 V3 Plus hitch. And I'm going to fit it to my personal camper, the Goldstream Goldwing 3. We'll see how easy it is to install. Now what do you get in the box? Let's have a look. So to start with, you get the coupling. They include the toe pin, of course. And one thing I really like is the fact that Cruisemaster includes the bolts that I'm going to need. These are M12 high tensile bolts that need to be torqued up by the looks of it to 90 Newton meters. Lucky I've got my torque wrench. Now I know that the stud pattern of the DO35 will exactly match the holes that are already here on the camper. This camper did come originally with a DO35, and of course that's going to make the job a heck of a lot easier. It should be just a case of unbolting the old coupling, bolting in the new, potentially making some adjustments to the handbrake, and honestly folks, that should be all there is to it. So that's all done, the bolts are all torqued up, the handbrake's back in place. Now the DO35 does come pre-filled with grease, so no issue there. There's really only one thing to do, and that's to hitch up the camper and take it for a bit of a test tow, see how it goes. So the V3 Plus DO35, it's 3.5 tonne rated like the other DO35s, but it's not a complete overhaul or a new generation of the existing V3. Instead, really the only changes are a new design for the dust cap to make it seat a bit better and easier to use, and a new design for the front bumper moulding with the reflector strip recessed to aid with the longevity. Another change for the V3 Plus worth pointing out is the fact that the coupling can now be mounted to the underside of this steel plate. The idea there being, of course, to aid with the ride height if necessary for your rig. So I've had a bit of a test tow, a bit of fun with the new DO35 V3 Plus, and it's doing everything it's supposed to do, no problems whatsoever. So there's just one thing for me to do, and that's really just to go out on a big trip.